My first problem with my PS3 Slim, what happened was I left the red light on a couple nights now, and I know it's been cracking every time I turn it on, and after I shut it down, it pops, cracks like once or twice. My TV does it worse. It's an old school TV, so maybe that's why it's like, change it already. But no, it's not. So here you go. I'm gonna try it. It doesn't read the disc. And I already found out how to fix it by turning it up like sideways or some so everything starts out fine. I had to change my hard drive already. Put it back to a 60 hard drive freaking week, but that's me. Controller. Alright. Controller sucks too now. Let's see, yep, not reading. Let's see, so here we go, I'm gonna open it. Spinning, it stopped. Starts up. It doesn't pop no more. It's not popping anymore. That's one thing I noticed. I mean, but the disc ain't reading now. So this is the first trick I found out. By picking it up a little bit, they say it'll read. Let's find out if it works. Oh man, first time I've ever done this. Shit. Nope, doesn't work. Okay. Next thing is smash it. Ugh, no. Fucking spinning, hit it. Not really hard. Okay, nope, that don't work. Fucking thing, gonna flick it. Alright. Nope. Let's see. Great. Oh, out. Try to see if maybe the put on, sure to read disk, auto disk startup. Turn on. Well, I had it on. I turned it off just to find out. So let's see. That won't do nothing because I mean it'll start up before, but you know, let's try it again. It should start it by itself. Oh, man. That's bullshit. Oh well, let's see. Everything starts out fine. Usually it clicked. Wait, okay. Right here it would click right now, but it's not doing it no more. Did it fix or did it stop working or is it stuck? I don't know. Fuck. Here we go. I know it was dusty. It sounds good. Starts up right. First time it froze right here. See, it's all good. And no disk. You should have started right there. What the hell do I do? Let's try this again. I never did this before. Well, second time now. Nope, nothing. Fuck, shaking it a little bit. Fuck. That's how this shit starts. You're doing shit like that. Nope, this didn't work. What do I do?